Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be transforming your bathroom with a stunning lighted vanity mirror. Now it's easier than you think, and I'm here to walk you through every step. So grab your tools and let's light up your space. Now first things first, you're going to need a solid foundation for your mirror. Using a stud finder, locate the studs on the wall where the vanity mirror will hang. Once you find the studs, mark their location with a pencil. Now trust me, when hanging this thing, we want to hit as many studs as we possibly can, as the mirror could have some pretty significant weight to it, and it may end up pulling your drywall anchors out unless you have drywall anchors rated for that weight. Now you want to pre-drill your holes. Now the main reason I pre-drill is just to ensure that the screws go straight in rather than at an angle. Line up the mounting bar, double check to make sure it's level, and drill in those marks. Then screw the mounting bar securely into the wall. Next, it's time to give your mirror some power. Now, safety first, head to your breaker box and shut off the power to your bathroom. Next, trace the outline of the old work box onto the drywall. Then use a drywall saw or multi-tool to cut out the area where the old work box will be installed. Now, we want to make sure this is behind the mirror because we don't want people seeing this after the mirror's hung. Now slide the outlet box into the hole that you just cut and tighten the screws to lock it into place. Then we can grab our Wago 221 connectors and put one on the hot and the neutral. I usually leave the ground open because I'm just going to use a regular wire nut on that. Now, even though I know the power's off, I always like to cap my wires just on the off chance if I leave the room, somebody turns the power on. Now we're ready to go ahead and assemble the mirror. Now for the mirror, putting it together is going to vary a little bit based on the style and the manufacturer of the mirror. For me, all I got to do is snap the side pieces on and then secure the 4 end caps. And each end cap has 2 screws. And now we're ready to mount the mirror. Now back to the bathroom. Take your assembled mirror and connect the wires. Strip the ends of the mirror's hot, neutral, and ground wires, again about a 1/2 inch for those Wago 221 connectors. We're going black to black, white to white, and then we'll just twist those ground wires together with a wire nut. Once that's done, we'll gently push the wires back into the outlet box and mount the mirror on the wall. Now everything is looking pretty good, so let's go ahead and make sure the mirror is level. We're going to make sure it's centered above our faucet. Then we're going to head back to the breaker box and flip the switch. And there you have it, folks, a professional looking lighted vanity mirror installed in just a few steps. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY projects, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Happy DIYing.